Good day guys, yeah, welcome back again to one of our video, and the latest video is an update about the BeCexy Airdrop. Okay, so a lot of you have been complaining about forgetting the wallet they connected, or trying to select a different wallet from what they connected, but it's becoming difficult. So right now they've updated the system and you can now change your wallet to a different wallet, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video right away. So if you're on the channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on our notification to get all the latest updates. Right here in the official um, Telegram handle, it says here is how to change your wallet address step by step. So go to my airdrop, my application status, and click the delete icon. Now a confirmation window will appear. Move your current application to unlink your wallet and Telegram. This one too, so you can remove your wallet or remove your Telegram. Like if you delete it, then you're deleting both your wallet and Telegram at the same time, right? So once that is done, you can submit a new application with your updated wallet address and Telegram ID. Now note, removing your application won't affect your game achievements, right? So if you remove them, your balance is still remaining the same. They are tied to your Telegram ID. So your progress will still be displayed once you submit the new application. So once you connect a new wallet, your balance is still going to be the same. Okay, keep in mind that one Telegram ID and one wallet address can only be linked to a single application. So you cannot link two Telegram or two wallets at the same time. Only one is going to work. Okay, so let's do that right quickly. Now here, go to my airdrop here. So once you are back to the airdrop here, okay, then you can see my application status and it says qualify, right? Now what you need to do is to click on this delete icon. Okay, now it says don't rush, right? You are canceling your airdrop application. This application will not be considered for airdrop distribution. Okay, so you will be able to submit a new application with a new wallet. Your game rewards remain safe. Okay, so everything remains safe. Then you can change your new wallet. Okay, or if you forgot your wallet before, you can connect either Wigwam, Phantom, Softly, so you can change to a different one now. Also, you can decide to go back, or you go ahead and remove application. Click on remove application. Now, so once you've done that, everything is back to default setting. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on connect Telegram. So just connect that. That is done. Then connect wallet. Okay, click on connect wallet now. So right now you can decide to connect any of the wallets you want to connect. Okay, so please use external browser. So I have a video, I made a video already on how to connect the wallet. So just go up here and click on it, then click on open in browser. You can see it's loading up here. Okay, so my software is also opening. So I just need to input my password now. So once that is done, then click on unlock. So once it opens, you can see option to cancel and connect. So click on connect down here. Okay, connect here. Then you're just going to take some few seconds to actually connect. So let me just pause the video now. So you can see it's signing. So once it's finished signing, then it's going to connect. All right, so before that is done, let me just, all right, so once you connect, then what thing to make sure you know is that you want to look for another sexy code again. So I know how difficult it has been for us to actually look for it the other time. So had I know this is going to happen, I wouldn't have cancelled my application, but for the sake of those that want to change, that is why I actually did it. So I need to go and look for another code to use again. Okay. So while it is still signing, I don't need to do anything further again. So once the sign is complete, you get to see success, and we've successfully changed our wallet. So just as we did, if you open it and you want to change it your wallet, then it's going to give you option for the wallets you want to actually choose. Okay. And once you are done, then you can finally rest your mind now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.